Shadow and a Greek-born son. Iron skies above my head, golden domes where angels tread. I ride a melon band, I ride between the worlds once more. I am the race of fire and ice, the son of ages, born twice. In my veins the sagas ring and byzantine ink bells still sing through storm and glory. Hear my cry. I never die. Steel echoes on the palace floor, Varanians guard the emperor's door. Raven circle over Viking oaths while Greek incense burns for both. I carry their fire on my back, a road king thundering down face track. Odin's wisdom, Athena's light, two ancient flames that guide my night. Yagaskul gonna weld it. Shadow and flame, the worlds collide when they speak my name. I am the wretch of fire and ice, the son of ages, born twice. In my veins the sagas ring and byzantine and bells still sing through storm and glory. Hear my cry. I never die. Untold Greek and Nordic gods of old. My soul is forged where worlds collide, a warrior riding the northern tide. To Byzantium's Ethirizi and Teutonica, the north replies to Uppsala's Lev, and I rise between them. I am the wretch of fire and ice, a walker of fate, a living price, the Nordic moon, the Hellenic sun. In my heart they beat as one. Varanian oath, byzantine cry. Read again, I'm storming, I will never die. Two crowns of fire on my head, two worlds alive, never dead.